Hey guys, and welcome back to the Cubography. Today I will show you which cube you should buy if you are a beginner. So for 2x2s, I would recommend you buying a YJMGC 2x2, which is a cheap 2x2 and offers you a very good turning and speed. And it is also available in stickerless and black. And it also has a very good reviews, and it's just 749 rupees, and you can buy it at the Cube Lelo Cube shop. It is very cheap. Now let's see 3x3s. So for 3x3s, you should actually not buy the Monster Go 3x3. I would not recommend it. You can buy the Melong 3C 3x3, which is quite cheap for its price and also offers you a very good resistance, and its reviews are also very good. So now next you can also buy the MF3RS 3x3 Elite M. It is both available in black and stickerless and offers you a very good speed. So let's see what the next 3x3 you should buy. So I would actually recommend you buying you can actually buy the 356 RS, but you should actually not buy it. I will not recommend it because it's quite unstable for beginners and it's quite expensive also. So bye bye again Cube. So you can also buy the GE MS 3x3, which is also very good. It is just 699 rupees, and it is both available in black and stickerless, and its reviews are also very good. So now let's see some 4x4s. So for 4x4, I would recommend you buying a GE MS 4x4 or a Cube Lelo Melong 4x4 Elite M magnetic. Its reviews are also very good and it's quite cheap also, and it's also very good, so you can buy it also, and it's both available in stickerless and stickered cube. So let's see, you can also buy the GE MS 4x4, which is also very good. You can now let's see 5x5s. So for 5x5, I will recommend you a GE MS 5x5. Unless you are a very good solver, you can also buy the YJMGC 5x5, and you can also buy the Yushin Kailin 5x5 unless you are going for price. And GE MS 5x5 is also available in black and stickerless, and reviews are also very good. So yeah, let's see 6x6. So for 6x6, you should buy the YJMGC 6x6. It is not that cheap, but it's very good also. It's both available in black and stickerless. You can buy it at Cube Lelo store, and its reviews are also very good. So that's a good cube. So now let's see 7x7s. So unless you are a world-class solver, you can purchase the Hayes M 7x7, which is named by a famous cuber Kevin Hayes. But you should not buy this if you are a beginner. If you are a beginner, you should buy the YJ Yuhu V2 M 7x7 magnetic, which is great price for 7x7. It's also very good, but it has a popping issue which can be fixed. So now let's see some Pyraminxes. pyramids, I would recommend you buy a Yushin Little Magic Pyramids, and it's both available in stickerless and stickered. And if you want a magnetic pyramids, you can buy the GEMS pyramids, which is also very good and available in both black and stickerless. And it's also very cheap for its price. And Cube Lilo also made a review on it. You can go on YouTube and check that out. So now let's see some Megaminx. So for Megaminx, unless you are a world class solver, you should not buy the GAN Megaminx. It is not good for its price. And if I recommend you buying a Chi Heng S Megaminx. And there is also a previous version of this, which is the Chi Heng Megaminx, and it has a letter S, no S in it, and it is also very good. But I would recommend buy a Chi Heng S. You can buy this one also, but you should buy the Chi Heng S. I don't know how to actually pronounce that. Now let's see some cubes. So for cubes, I would recommend you buy a X-Man Wingy's cube. Chi X-Man Wingy's cube. It's both available in stickerless and black, and it's a very good cube. You can order it at Cube Lelo Cube Shop. And well, I am not sponsored. So let's see some square ones right now. So for square one, I would recommend you the Yushin Little Magic Square one, which is both available in stickerless and stickerless magnetic. Stickerless, unfortunately, it's not available in black because it's weird for square ones to be black. Now, so that's it for today. You might be wondering why I did not told you about clock, because I do not know anything about clock, and I don't know anything about clock actually. So yeah, till then, bye.